is a 3-step ultra pigmented lip peel. It's blue, and then you peel and reveal the color. It says to add like 2 or 3 layers, and done. The next step is this activating spray. Wow. This literally looks so natural, like it's my lip color. I'm obsessed.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
Do you struggle with patchy makeup? I'm gonna show you 3 tips to give you a smoother base. Let's get real, guys. Hydrate and moisturize your face. Period. Using a hyaluronic acid is gonna hold moisture and plump your skin. Apply on a damp face. Moisturize even if you have oily skin. I know Michaela's talked about this and it's one of my favorites too, the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Second tip, use a smoothing primer, especially if you have larger pores or texture. This way your makeup will go on smooth like butter. My 2 favorites are the e.l.f. Putty Primer and the Touch in Sol No Pore Blem. And if all else fails, shave your face. We all have hair and sometimes our makeup holds onto that peach fuzz. I have a tutorial on how I shave my face, go check it out. And if you like this video, follow for more beauty tips.
I'm comparing the $500 Dyson versus the $50 Revlon. Let's see if this one's worth 10 times the price. You guys, honestly, there's no question. The Revlon is so much better. Look how smooth and silky my hair is. Look at the volume. Look at that. And then there's this one. That was $500. So you tell me which one, Revlon or Dyson?
Quickest ever beauty and anti-aging advice from your local 30-year-old. Number 1, liquid collagen is actually significantly better than powdered collagen. I noticed a huge difference when I went to liquid collagen. This is the Beauty Chef. None of this is sponsored, by the way. Number 2 is going to be silk pillowcases. My hair and my skin transformed when I started using them. I've tried a whole bunch. Do not get the cheapy Amazon kind. I don't care if it says 100% silk. My 2 favorite brands are Cultivar. This is so silky on one side, and the other side is linen. So if you don't like the feeling of hugging silk all the way around, Cultivar is insane. And number 2, Blissy, the thickest and softest, most amazing silk in the entire world. I'm not kidding you. These are nuts. Obsessed. And finally, harness your feminine energy. When I started learning about feminine energy and just following my own flows, my skin, my body, everything transformed. I highly recommend it. Follow for more. Reverse aging. This video has been so highly requested on my channel. I'm 30 years old, but I really haven't aged since I was about 21, 22, something like that. So I figured I could make a series about what I think I've done, maybe that have contributed to that. This is going to be the basics. So the first thing is sleep. I try and sleep between 8 and 9 hours every single night, which seems like a lot, but it's so important for all your cells to really rejuvenate overnight. Second thing is I try and sleep on my back. This is new to me. I've done it for the past 2 or 3 years. I started noticing in my mid-20s these little lines that were popping up on the side of my eyes, and they drove me nuts. So I started sleeping like a vampire. It's still literally a struggle every single night, but I force myself on my back and it has made a huge difference. I also drink tons of water and I cook all my own food. As far as working out, skincare, all that other stuff, it's gonna have to be another video.
This is supposed to fill up the pores. Let's see if it works. So you can see some of my pores here. Oh my God. Oh my God. They disappeared. Okay, let's try it on this side. Oh my God. This is crazy. What? This Rare Beauty blush is so pigmented. Check this out. 1 dot, blending it in. Check that out. That was literally 1 dot. A little goes such a long way.
How you can achieve the faded eyeliner look. Use a brown gel liner and draw a thin line from your bottom lash upwards. Smudge it out with a brush. It's okay if you're messy, we'll clean it up later. Use a dark brown eyeshadow and go over the liner to set it. Next, and most importantly, take a Q-tip and some micellar water and clean up that eyeliner. Go in with your favorite concealer and blend it in with a damp beauty blender. Then you're going to set it with some powder and let it bake for a minute. And that is how you get the perfect faded eyeliner.
I just do, because I feel better. If I feel better, I'm nicer. If I'm nicer, my life goes better. Because if I'm nicer, then you're going to be nicer to me. And if I'm nice, everything runs smoothly.
Five beauty products you didn't know you needed. Let's go. If you still haven't tried any of the Super Shock highlights from ColourPop, you are truly missing out. This is in the shade Flexitarian. I mean, are you joking me? Absolutely stunning. Let me just show you guys this highlight in action. It just melts into the skin and gives you the most gorgeous glow. It is pure perfection. The Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lips are my favorite lip product right now. They are so juicy, so rejuvenating and nourishing on the lips, and they give you the most perfect hint of color. I am completely obsessed. The Morphe Glamour Bronze bronzers are my absolute favorite bronzers. This is in the shade Icon. Beautiful matte finish. It makes your skin look completely airbrushed, gorgeous pigmentation. The Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer is so hydrating, it makes the most awesome primer. And the Kylie Kybrow in Clear.
Beauty hacks from a model. Okay, first thing, silk pillowcases. This is a game changer for your skin and your hair. I even have silk bed sheets and they're so comfortable. Next time you wash your hair, don't wrap your hair in a towel, wrap it in a cotton t-shirt. It's a lot better for your hair. If you want to grow out your brows and your eyelashes, grab a spoolie and some castor oil. Put that in your brows and lashes every night. Start dermaplaning your face. People are always worried that your hair is going to come back thicker, darker, coarser. That has not happened for me. The reason I dermaplane my face is one, because it gets rid of peach fuzz, and two, it exfoliates your skin. Follow for more model beauty hacks.